In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color in Google Docs. This is a simple yet effective way to personalize your documents and give them a unique flair. Whether you're working on a presentation, preparing a report, or just wanting to jazz up that plain white backdrop, adjusting the background color can make your document stand out. First things first, you'll want to open up Google Docs. Once you have your document open, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. You'll find the File menu there. Give it a click. This is where you'll find several options related to document settings and configurations. What you're looking for is the Page Setup option. Go ahead and click on that. Once you click on Page Setup, a dialog box will appear, presenting several choices you can adjust for your document. Now, toward the right side of this dialog box, you will see an option labeled Page Color. This is the key feature we'll be using today to alter the background of your document. Give that a click, and you'll be presented with a variety of color options. Here is where you can let your creativity flow. Experiment with different colors to see which one best fits your document's theme and purpose. Perhaps you want a light blue to evoke calmness or a pale yellow for some subtle warmth. Select whatever color feels right to you. After you've chosen your desired color, all that's left to do is hit the OK button at the bottom of the dialog box. And there you have it. The background color of your Google Doc is now updated. It's amazing how such a little change can make such a big difference in the presentation of your work. I hope this little guide has made the process a breeze for you. Changing the background color is not only useful for making your document visually appealing, but it can also be practical. For example, using a different color can highlight sections or make different parts of your document stand out without using additional formatting tools. If you found this video helpful, please do not hesitate to like, comment, and subscribe. By doing so, you help support the channel and allow us to continue creating helpful content like this. Thank you for tuning in, and happy formatting.